For the past 28 days, I got more views, more subscribers, more watch hour, and even more revenue because of this one strategy that I found out. Do you know that you can actually peep your big competitors, those big competitors in your niche? Yes, you can actually pick the tags because you use the same tags. Do you know you can actually peep on their tags? So let me show you. Follow me as I show you step by step on how you can actually use this one app to achieve this mind-blowing growth that you said. This may be the game changer that you have been looking for. This may be another way you can gain visibility on YouTube if you follow me step by step as I show you how to use this one app to change everything about your YouTube journey. Okay guys, before you go to this app, you have to first of all go to the competitor, the person you want to copy from, the very competitor you want to take the tags from. Okay, let's go to, let me use this, my beautiful friend here. This is Amaka. This is Princess Chiamaka. Yes, let's say I want to use this her very content. Now I want to know the tag she used. So what I will do, I will come to this place, I will click share. Once I click share, you see link here, I'll copy the link. Once I copy the link, I will head over to that very YouTag. So what I will do, where you will get it, you go to App Store. Once you click on the App Store, you come here, you search the name YouTag. So once you search it, okay, it has come up. Why is open here is because I already download this app. I have this app. So if you don't have this app, it will show get. So you click install it, it will show you small process, which is next and next and next and next. So you come back here. Okay, let's close this pop-up. So you come here, you will see suggest keywords, find competitors, backlinks, about us, tag of the day, more apps. So what we're going to is get tags from UR. So you click here. Once you click here, what you will do, okay, allow. So what you will do is that you paste the link that will copy. That link that will copy, we paste it here, is already here. So we'll search. Once you search, look at it, it has bring her tag. This is the tag Princess Chiamaka used on that very video. Remember, the video you use this tag for is if you create something related to what she creates. That is where you pick the tag that she used. What this helps you to do is when people are searching her tag, because she already have subscribers, if you are below, let's say you have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 subscribers, you look for those that have 11,000, 10,000, 20,000 subscribers, those ones that is bigger than you in your niche. So you pick this there, the very video that you are targeting, you pick it. Once you pick it, you press it here, you get. Okay, let's see her thumbnail here. As you can see, her thumbnail will automatically appear here. This is the thumbnail she used for this video. Now if you want to see more about her, let's see, this is the descriptions. This is her description. Princess Chiamaka, I follow her, somebody that I so much admire. So this is the thumbnail that she used and the tag. So guys, this is mind-blowing. This helps you to tap into the big YouTubers as they are getting views. If you pay attention on this strategy, create content based on that. If they have any outlaying videos are videos that has more view than the subscriber the person have. So if they create any outlaying videos, so once you create that video, use the same tag they use, do thumbnail that is related to their thumbnail, you will definitely get view on that channel. You get view because that is what people are searching. Once people search their videos, yours will pump up. So that is how it works. So these apps help you to peep into your big YouTubers. You can also use their tags, their description, even their thumbnail as well, if you are interested in using it. This helps you not to copy them word for word, but if they create any content that got more views, like ad laying videos. Ad laying videos are videos that got more views than the subscriber the person have. If they have, let's say they have 11,000 subscribers and this video rank up to 20-30,000, these videos are ad layings. So what you do in this video is that you listen to this video, know the intro, know the outro, know the step-by-step of this video. I'm not saying you should copy them word to word. What you do is that you pick the topic they use on this video, recreate it, check their thumbnail, recreate it, use their tags they use, and also create something that is mind-blowing on this topic they have choose. One thing that makes this topic to rank high is that it's tested and proved. So if you use it, that topic and that thumbnail and that tags, definitely your video will rank high. So if you find value on this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up, because in this video I'll be bringing to you a mind-blowing update on how you can successfully and stressless grow your YouTube channel without stress. At the end of this video, I have a free PDF guide step by step on how to grow a successful YouTube channel at the description of this video. Check it out. See you in my next video. Bye bye.